Can these reinforcement techniques be applied to commercial doors and business entrances to significantly reduce break-in risk? For commercial doors, start by assessing door construction and frame material because solid core, wood, steel, and aluminum each require different fasteners and anchors. Use industrial-grade strike plates sized to cover the full latch and reinforced with long screws that reach into the structural steel or solid timber behind the frame. Measure depth to ensure screws penetrate at least 2 inches into substrate and tighten progressively to avoid stripping. Replace standard screws in hinges and strike plates with grade 8 or equivalent long screws and consider through bolting where possible to transfer load across the frame. For doors with glass panels, add laminated or polycarbonate glazing or install a metal security screen on the interior side to prevent reach-through and maintain egress. Label glazing upgrades so emergency responders can identify them. For auxiliary hardware, choose commercial door closers rated for the door weight and traffic frequency and verify backset and centerline measurements for compatibility with panic hardware or electromagnetic locks. Finally, build a phased plan that sequences upgrades across all entry points so you do not create weaker adjacent access. Document each change with photos and measurements, and schedule periodic inspections every 6 months to check fastener integrity and hardware function. The 3 most common mistakes are treating a single door without addressing adjacent doors and sidelights, relying on short screws that only bite into door trim, and installing heavy hardware that interferes with proper door swing or fire egress. If you upgrade one door, make sure frames, sidelights, and service entrances get the same level of reinforcement so burglars do not simply shift targets. Swap out short screws for long structural fasteners and confirm they land in framing or steel rather than hollow trim to avoid false confidence. When adding heavy locks or security screens, verify clearances, latch throw, and compliance with local exit and fire codes so hardware does not block safe evacuation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and business owners with local contractors and resources tailored to security upgrades and entry reinforcement, and we make it easy for contractors to find work in their service areas. We also host an active discussion community where members share techniques, vendor experiences, and lessons learned about commercial door reinforcement and installation.